Hello everyone and welcome to Conversations 2026. My name is Kalaimati Ranganathan and I'm a partner engineer at Meta. Today, we're diving into a major new capability rolling out this year on the Marketing Messages API for WhatsApp, Max Pricing. If you're building marketing solutions on our platform, this session is for you. We'll cover what Max Pricing is, why it matters for your client's ROI, and exactly how to implement it in your code base. Before we jump in, please note that we'll be discussing features currently in beta. Our plans are subject to change, so keep this in mind as you plan your roadmaps. Last year, we launched the Marketing Messages API for WhatsApp, offering exclusive performance-enhancing features and automatic optimizations designed to drive higher engagement for marketing messages. This year, we're introducing new pricing features exclusively on the API, the Max Price feature, and the Reach Estimation tool, so businesses can drive higher ROI and have more control over how they optimize spend. These are the first in a suite of new pricing features we plan to make available on the API. We'll walk through how the Max Price feature works, why it's valuable for businesses and partners, and the APIs you'll need to integrate with. Today, we charge a fixed publish rate for each marketing message we deliver. A few things we know are true. The value of delivering to each user is not the same. A top-tier loyalty customer versus a low propensity to purchase user are very different. We are at a premium versus alternate channels like SMS or email. This means businesses carefully choose who to target on WhatsApp. In this illustrative example, a business chooses not to target the customers outlined in black and targets the customers in the outlined box. Of those targeted, some messages are delivered, the dark blue figures, and some are not, the light gray figures. Starting this year, businesses can choose to set a maximum price per marketing message delivery. Setting a max price is optional. If you set it, we may charge that amount or lower. We will never charge above the max price the business set. Let's say, hypothetically, the publish rate is $1 and the business sets their max price at $1 itself. Even though the max price is $1, the actual charge for each delivery may be lowered. The actual cost is determined by Meta's system, taking into consideration several factors. Some are the value of delivering that message to the business and customer, supply health factors like usability, integrity signals and quality factors like read rates and negative feedback rates, historical engagement with the business, overall ecosystem health, and of course, advertiser demand. So if the max price is $1, but actual cost to deliver are 90 cents, 80 cents, and 70 cents for 3 different users, the business pays 90, 80, and 70 cents respectively for those users. Businesses now have 3 options for setting their max price, same as, lower than, or higher than the publish rate. Setting the max price equal to the publish rate is a no-regrets move. It can only help increase ROI. On the left side is the current state. Assuming the publish rate is $1, and if the business sends 10 messages, and if 7 are delivered out of them, the client is charged $7. However, in the max pricing world, if max price is set at $1, for the same scenario where business sends 10 messages, the same 7 messages would be delivered. But instead of $1 per delivery, the system charges dynamically for each user, depending upon the factors we saw previously, say 95 cents, 90 cents, 80 cents, etc., averaging to 92 cents per delivery, which is 7% below the publish rate. The key takeaway here is that even by setting a max price equal to the publish rate, businesses increase ROI while maintaining delivery performance. The next case is something we really want businesses to do. When businesses set max prices lower than publish rates, it allows them to target customers on WhatsApp that they previously skipped because the fixed rate made it uneconomical, thus defaulting to SMS or email instead. On the left side is the current state. Assuming the publish rate is $1 again, and if the business sends 10 messages, and if 7 are delivered, the client is charged $7. With lower max price, because businesses can now pay below the publish rate, they may expand targeting to 15 customers. Setting a max price reflecting their willingness to pay for these lower tier cohorts, they get 8 deliveries at an average of 75 cents per message, which is 25% below the publish rate. The key takeaway here is that businesses expand reach to more customers on WhatsApp and lower average cost per delivery. Coming to the last scenario, This use case is market-specific and seasonal, mostly relevant in regions like India during Diwali or during peak holiday seasons when supply is constrained and everyone is competing for the same end customers. If a business faces, for example, 30 to 40% drop rates during peak periods, setting a higher max price gives them a better chance of delivery. On the left side again is the current state. Assuming the published rate is $1, and if the business sends 10 messages, and if 7 are delivered, the client is charged $7. With 20% higher max price, for example at $1.25 and 10 messages sent, 9 will be delivered, thus significantly improving delivery, and the actual cost per delivery may still be lower than the max price set. In our H2 2025 Alpha, businesses in India set max prices above the published rate and still saw better deliveries and average lower costs. Quality reminder. Quality signals like read rates, engagement, and negative feedback still matter. Low quality templates may be deprioritized regardless of max price. Choose the right strategy per campaign. To recap the 3 strategies, setting max price same as published rate is where one has to start, since it's a no-regrets move which benefits from actual costs at or below the published rate. Setting max price lower than published rate would let expansion to customer cohorts you previously didn't message on WhatsApp. You can A/B test to find the right level. Setting max price higher than published rate is for markets with high competition and per user limits. Example, India, UAE, and Saudi Arabia. It can increase your chance of delivery during peak periods. A note on quality again. Higher max prices can increase the likelihood of delivery, but there's no guarantee. High-quality templates that are relevant, timely, and expected are more likely to be delivered even at lower max prices. Low-quality messages that are spammy, repetitive, and irrelevant may be deprioritized even with a high max price, and the cost may be higher. The Reach Estimation tool gives directional guidance on the right max price with estimated deliveries and costs. It primarily helps businesses understand estimated deliveries and costs at different max price levels, so they can make informed decisions before committing to a max price. Getting started is straightforward. Set a max price when creating your marketing message template. The max price is initially set at the template level. At send time, optionally, adjust the max price per message using a price multiplier. For example, increase by 1.5x for message A or 2x for message B. Please note that max prices are set in the currency of your WhatsApp business account and can be edited up to once per 24 hours or up to 10 times in 30 days. Once a max price is set on a template, it can't be removed. To use fixed publish rates again, create a new template without the max price feature. Let's see now what are the different APIs that one has to integrate with. To create a template with max price, use the post message templates endpoint and include the bitspec object in the request body. If bitspec is not included, the template uses standard rate card pricing, which is business as usual. Use the get endpoint with fields equal to bitspec to retrieve the max price setting on an existing template. This returns the max price associated with that template. You can also update the bitspec on templates that were originally created with a max price. The same parameters apply. Use the marketing messages endpoint to apply a multiplier at send time, adjusting the template level max price for individual messages. This allows you to increase or decrease the max price per message without editing the template itself, giving you per user pricing flexibility. Given a look-back period and target geography, the Reach Estimation API returns estimated delivery ranges and cost ranges at various max price amounts. This helps businesses calibrate their max pricing strategy before launching a campaign, thus understanding the trade-off between price, reach, and cost. To track spend in real time, partners receive the cost of each delivered marketing message through the delivered and read webhooks. This enables per message cost tracking and auditing while simultaneously optimizing campaign performance. The webhook payload includes delivery cost and currency fields alongside the existing pricing object. Businesses are excited about this because they'll be in the driver's seat in a way they haven't been before, giving higher ROI and more control. For partner-enabled businesses, it's easy to get started. Once a partner has enabled this feature, businesses can set a max price when creating a marketing template and adopt one of the three strategies we discussed previously, setting max price same or lower or higher than publish rate. We want partners to enable this feature for their clients since it will help us grow marketing messages on WhatsApp together. Marketing messages are a unique WhatsApp feature. It's ultimately up to you to determine your role. You can either be an enabler by simply surfacing the feature to your clients, or you can be powering the feature by building value-added services like automated max price optimization on top of it. Thank you.